Now that we've got the yellow together, now we have to get the edges all lining up. To do that, what we need to do is have only one of the 4 edges correct. So like for example, I put orange correct and I put that facing away from me. I want to make sure that this edge will go across, this edge will go here, and this edge will go here. And then the algorithm you do right twice, up, right, up, right backwards, up backwards, right backwards, up backwards, right backwards, up, and then right backwards. And you'll notice all 4 are now where they belong.